Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the essentials, your phone and carrier support caller display, and you have login info. Once confirmed, open the phone app or carrier portal and locate call settings or caller ID. Tap the setting to view options. Make sure caller ID is enabled. If you use a third-party app, install and grant permissions now. This first step gets the system ready so the rest of the process can change how incoming numbers appear to you. Now you configure the detailed options. Go into caller ID preferences and choose whether to show name, number, or both. This affects what the recipient sees and how you identify callers. If using an app, grant contacts and phone permissions so names and photos map correctly. Adjust spam filtering and whether business info or caller photos appear. Once done, test with a known number. That confirms permissions and mapping are working before final adjustments. To finish, place test calls from several numbers and carriers to verify the display shows as configured. If results differ, restart your device and reopen settings to confirm nothing reverted. Make sure the contact entries use correct formatting so names match. Sometimes international prefixes affect display. If problems persist, contact your carrier or the app support and provide account details and a sample failed call. That speeds resolution and helps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.